Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbi Sahni. Hope you are doing great. Although I was busy in the NEET MDS 2023 counseling and its update and the videos regarding the dental colleges review, still we came to know about the UPPSC examination, that too of the year 2023. It is already out and there are lots of questions which are coming from your side regarding that. So in this video, I am trying to cover each and every query from your side. When you are on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming video. The first query regarding the UPPSC exam preparation or any other PSC exam preparation is that how you as an aspirant can prepare for the journal questions. For that, there are two options in your hand. Either you can take and buy the Manorama book of journal knowledge, right, which is available on Amazon or which is available online, which nearly costs rupees 350 or 400 or something like that, right? On the other hand, the second option is you can join the separate WhatsApp group of the journal knowledge questions practice regarding the PSC examination, and for that you need to join by register yourself, and for that you need to drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or either you can drop the message on the Instagram ID which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me there as a sweet gesture. Right now, the second question which is coming from your side is how you can prepare the PSC examination like for the dental questions. See, the first option is do the past paper questions for sure. The second option is definitely there is the another separate WhatsApp group available for the PSC dental questions examination, and the procedure is same to join that group, right? Now the third question is there any age limit for the UPPSC examination of 2023? Yes. The age limit is up to the 40 years of the age. The third question which is coming from your side is, will being an aspirant of NEET MDS, or if you are doing the MDS, simultaneously give the MO exam? See, the main thing is either you should be a BDS graduate with experience, BDS graduate with fresher, or a MDS graduate. If right now you are doing the MDS course or you are into the MDS course and still you want to apply and give the examination regarding the MO examination, you need to clear about one thing, that simultaneously you can't do both the things. Simultaneously you can't do the MDS course also and you can opt for the MO jobs also, right? So either you need to choose one or lose one, right? So this is the main basic difference. Followed by, if you are a MDS person, that means you have completed your MDS degree, you have the degree in your hand, then definitely you can apply for the MO examination for sure. Now there is one more possibility, that if you have done the BDS or you are a BDS fresher or a BDS graduate with experience and you have joined the Uttar Pradesh or any other MO jobs, then after 3 years they will give you the option that you can leave the job and you can do the MDS if you want to. So that decision is in your hand. Complete. Now another query is who all can apply for the UPPSC or UPSC examination. See, any candidate from any other state can participate in UPPSC or in any other PSC examination of any other state, right? Exam date is not mentioned, not released yet, but nearly it will be taken place. Nearly the chances are that the exam will take place in October or November of 2023 for sure. The preparation of the dental questions regarding the UPPSC or the UPSC, you can go through the 10 years past paper questions of NEET MDS which is available in the PDF form, and for that you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or you can follow me on my Instagram ID and then ask for the PDF which will be delivered on your WhatsApp. Definitely it's a paid PDF set, so it depends upon you whether you want or not. The next query is there any registration required? Yes, any state dental registration is required. Without registration, it is impossible to apply for this examination. Like Delhi, the registration take place in just one day. So differently, the different state have different criteria to register. Followed by the submission regarding and the form filling regarding the UPPSC date has been extended. Adding this date extension, the post is released on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. So don't forget to follow me there. See the post, save it for future. Definitely the another query is, yes, you need to submit the hard copy of UPPSC application and everything. Regarding that, the one video is out that what all the documents you require to submit in the form of hard copy. So if you haven't checked out that video, either you can ask the link for that video, you can ask the link, or else you can check out in the description of this video. Followed by that, there are certain guidelines regarding the UPPSC examination 2023. Is the student outside the UP states are eligible? The answer is yes, they are eligible to participate. Second, the reason behind it is that it is the Supreme Court rule that in state PSC examination anyone can participate, whether it is the category A, class A type of job, right, or anything. It is not compulsory that you should have only and only the UP registration. No, it's not compulsory at all. And if we talk about the application fee, the highest fees is rupees 125 rupees and the lowest fees is rupees 25. Definitely the reservation criteria is also there for the UPPSC, that is the 27% OBC, 12% ST, 7% SC and 1 to 2% ex-army men. So the reservation criteria is definitely there. Syllabus criteria, the 20% journal questions are there in the examination and 80% the dental questions are there in the examination. Followed by the salary, it depends upon district to district. Just like in Meerut, it may be around a salary of 1,15,000, and on the other hand, in case of Kanpur, it may be around just 95,000 per month. So it differs from district to district. And this is just an example. Basic salary is rupees 85,000 to 90,000 minimum, and maximum is rupees 1,10,000, right, per month. It's a permanent job for sure. The minimum qualification required to apply for this job is the BDS graduate or the BDS degree. UP is basically a fair state nowadays because the interview and everything gonna take place under the surveillance. That means the camera is there, right? And definitely the salary is gonna increase every year. There will be the 10 to 15% salary increment is there. So I think what you are waiting for, this is the best opportunity here right now. So that's all about the questions related to the UPPSC examination. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the like button to this video if you like this video. Thank you for watching.